Morning, everyone, and welcome to the second half of field for this year. So welcome to 553. And I just wanted to say there are a couple changes to this semester. So just keep in mind the biggest change is that we will be doing what's considered a case presentation. And I will, by next week, be assigning everyone their weeks. We'll be doing case presentations weeks 5, 6, 7, 9, or 10. So I will post an announcement giving everyone their week that they need to do their case presentation. The instructions are in the syllabus, so please refer to that. Make sure that you know how to do the case presentation. It's going to be done in the discussion forum section within the week, and you'll post it the week that I've assigned you. Any questions about that, you can reach out to me offline and we can talk about it. But the other part of my welcome video for this week I wanted to talk about is just some concerns that I had at the end of last semester. I know that there are challenges with life and work and field and balancing all of that. So just a couple concerns, make sure that you're taking care of yourself. Make sure that you're maintaining yourself, that you're giving yourself some time. Definitely at least weekly, setting aside some time, even if it's just an hour, where you can do something that truly you enjoy or makes you feel relaxed, whether it's reading a book or, watching your favorite show or something, just something where you can have some time for you. That's going to be very important. The other thing is, I know there were some time management issues with some of the students. Please note that this semester, it is not an option to take a 0 in any coursework. All coursework must be submitted, and it will be adjusted. Grades will be adjusted for timeliness if they're submitted late, unless I know about it. But if you don't talk to me, then I can't help you. So please, if you know you're having an issue, please reach out to me. Any other questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to call me. My phone number is still the same, area code 856-524-6773. And keep an eye out for the upcoming announcements on your case presentations. And best of luck, everyone, this semester.